This story is about the naughty monkey named George who loved throwing banana peels everywhere. But one day, George learned the lesson that making a mess is never a good idea. Let's begin the story. Ashley the rabbit has a friend named Nabiha. Today, they are playing in the garden behind Nabiha's house. Nabiha jokes about the day Ashley fell in the pond. Ashley smiles and thanks Nabiha for helping her get out of the water. As they sit under a big tree, something falls down. "What was that?" asks Ashley. "I don't know," answers Nabiha. Plop! It happens 2 more times. Nabiha points to something on the ground. Ashley looks at it, discovering it is a banana peel. They find 2 more banana peels on the ground. Suddenly, another one drops right onto Nabiha's head. Yuck! Nabiha and Ashley hear someone laughing. They look up and see a very naughty monkey in the tree. It's George, the monkey. "Hey, you, up there," says Nabiha. George doesn't answer and just laughs, dropping another banana peel. This time, it drops on Ashley's head. Nabiha and Ashley are not happy. This naughty monkey keeps dropping banana peels onto the ground, and now on their heads. "You come down here right now," says Ashley. Nabiha agrees, telling him to help clean the mess. George laughs and swings from branch to branch. Oops! He misses a branch and falls to the ground. This time, it's not a banana peel. It's the naughty monkey. He's not moving. Is George hurt? Nabiha and Ashley are scared. They don't want George to be hurt. They run over to see if he's okay. He is on his back as they look down at him. George jumps up and laughs. He was only pretending to be hurt. He runs around, jumps, and does cartwheels and somersaults. Nabiha and Ashley laugh. George is a naughty but very funny monkey. "My name is George," he says, and Nabiha introduces herself and Ashley. Nabiha and Ashley start to chase George, but he is too fast. He runs around the tree, but he is not watching where he is going and does not see the banana peel on the ground. George slips on the banana peel. His feet go way up into the air. Plop! He lands on his back again. This time, Nabiha and Ashley sit on top of George. He can't move now. George shouts, "Why are you sitting on top of me? Let me go!" Ashley says they won't let him go until he answers a question. Nabiha asks, "Why do you drop banana peels?" "I don't know what to do with the peels after I eat the bananas," laughs George. Nabiha explains that it's not good, and they don't want banana peels in their garden. "You're right. I'm sorry. I made a mess, and now I must clean it up," says George. He starts to pick up the many banana peels, and Nabiha and Ashley help him. George learned that making a mess is never a good idea, and true friends always help each other fix mistakes. From that day on, the garden stayed clean, and the 3 friends shared many more happy adventures together. Visit myskillstar.com to discover more wonderful stories for kids.